like a Hellcat.
Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new in my channel, so you can click on subscribe button and press bell icon so you get first notification when I upload my new video, and you like my video and content, so please do like, comment and share, and humble request to guys, do support. Thank you so much. Today we are learning about bacterial study. It includes the history of bacteria, how they found, occurrence of bacteria, general characteristics of bacteria, morphology of bacteria. So we can start with the history. And this picture shows bacteria shape, size and colonial form. So we can start with history. The bacteria are most simple and smallest organism, 0.5 to 15 millimeter size, and may be studied in the under the high power of light microscope. They were first discovered in 1675 by Antoine van Leeuwenhoek. Later on in France, Pasteur and Koch studied several bacteria in the year of 1870 to 1876. They also demonstrated that many bacteria cause the human and animal disease. Koch in 1876 had proved that bacteria can cause such diseases as anthrax, tuberculosis or Asiatic cholera. Since then several workers are busy in investigation and the science of bacteriology has been established. T.J. Burnell of immunosis was first to declare that certain bacteria were responsible for disease in the plants. He showed that Micrococcus ambulovorus caused the fire bite of pears. Since then, a large number of plant diseases caused by various bacteria have been investigated. At the time of their discovery, these organisms were supposed to be animal and referred as animalcules. Later on, it was thought that the bacteria had more affinities with plants. The animals and then they were included in Thallophyta of plant kingdom. Some people considered them neither the plants and nor the animal. They adopted in the middle way, as majority of the bacteria have more affinities with plants. They are placed on the class Schizomycetes of Thallophyta. Occurrence of bacteria. Bacteria are omnipresent. They are found everywhere under all possible natural conditions. They are found in great abundance in tropical and temperate region. They are found in in water, air, soil, on living and dead organic substance. They are very resistant to heat and cold and certain chemicals. They are also found in the intestine of human being and animals also. Certain bacteria may live in the temperature as high as 78 degrees centigrade in hot springs. They are found on the snow as well as in the deep soil. They are found in less number on the snow peaks of the hills because they lack soil particle which make the seat of bacteria. So general characteristics of bacteria. The bacteria are the simplest and smallest living organism of plant kingdom and may be seen only under the high magnification of the compound microscope. They are devoid of chlorophyll and mostly heterotrophic in nutrition. They reproduce chiefly by fission, sometimes called the fission fungi, and included in separate class Schizomycetes. Majority of the bacteria are unicellular, but the filamentous and colonial forms are quite common. Usually the bacterial cells are embedded in mucilaginous envelope. Even when bacteria are held together in groups or chains, each individual cell carries on its own metabolic process quite independently. There is no division of labor. These all are general characteristics of bacteria and morphology of bacteria. In morphology we can consider size and shapes and size of the bacterial cell vary greatly in their size. An average cylinder bacterial cell measures 3 μm long and 1 μm broad. This is important. So read carefully. Measure 3 meter long and 1 μm broad. Various and average spherical cells is 1 μm in diameter. The average volume of bacterial cell is 1 cubic micron. According to Buchanan in 1946, 1 ml of bacteria culture contain 1 trillion bacteria of average size. This is important point. So please note down this point. The size and long and broad and some measurements, and especially according to Buchanan 1946, 1 ml of bacterial culture contain 1 trillion bacteria of average size. And shape of the bacteria is different: Bacillus, Spiralium, Coccus. The bacterial cell may be rod-like, spiral or spherical in their shape. First is Bacillus. The straight and rod-like bacteria are called bacilli. Singular Bacillus, which proposes rod-like, kidney-like elongated cell. They vary greatly in their length and diameter, ranging from 0.6 mm to 1.2 mm long and 0.5 to 0.7 mm wide to 3.8 mu long and 1 to 1.2 mu wide. Spiralium. The spiral or curve forms are called spiralia, singular spiralium, in which the cells are spirally coiled or coma shaped or variously curved. They vary in size form of 1.5 mu to 4 mu long and 0.2 mu to 0.4 mu wide in Vibrio to up to 15 mu long in Spiralium. Then a coccus. The rounded or spherical forms are called cocci, singular coccus, in which the cells are more or less spherical. They are smallest form among bacteria. After division of cells may either separate from each other or may remain joined together in form of groups of 2 cells, Diplococcus, and tetrad of 4 cells, Micrococcus, Tetragenous, and a chain of the cells in Streptococcus. The cocci range in diameter from 0.5 to 1.25 μm. This figure shows the various form of bacteria. In A figure, coccus bacteria are shows. In B figure, bacillus bacteria are shows. In C figure, Vibrio bacteria are shows, and in D figure, spirillum bacteria are shows. So you can consider the shape and size and various form of bacteria via this figure. So what can we learn today? History of bacteria, occurrence of bacteria, general characteristics of bacteria, and morphology of bacteria. So do you like my video and content? So please do like, comment and share, and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.